Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Line Studio tutorial 89, and today's topic is how to add a custom node in a network diagram in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture feature. In the next pop-up you need to select system architecture, as network diagrams are part of system architecture diagrams in AI Line Studio. And today I have already generated the diagram for my demo. That is a very common network diagram for small office setup with Wi-Fi, router and firewall. And today we are discussing about how we can add a node to existing diagram. So in the header, can you see this button called add node? Click on it. I'm keeping the text as it is. You can update it if you want to. I'll click on OK, and then simply drag, and that's how we have our custom node over here. You can place this anywhere on the canvas, and if you want to connect it to an existing node, how you can connect it. For example, I'm putting it up over here and clicking on it, it would become green, and then simply drag and connect it to an existing node, for example like this. So this helps you to represent the additional devices, components or elements that may not be available in default options. So